guys, welcome back, and welcome here if you're new. I wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you guys about these Pure Cosmetics, the $20 mystery bags. If you guys haven't tried these, they're pretty cool. I did cut off the top. I do not really have an idea what's in here, but let's check it out. This was $20. This is the May mystery bag. They've been doing these for the past couple of months. Let's dig on in. First of all, we get a Pure Cosmetics blending crease brush. This little guy here. Let's just... Oh, I like this. It's a little zipper bag, which is kind of cool. You could fit probably 3 brushes in there. I'm actually going to use this probably a lot. This is one of those nice little crease brushes. It's more on the flatter side. If you have not used Pure Cosmetics brushes, these are great. They are a little on the higher price side, but for what I paid for this entire box, not bad. It was $20, and I forget how much the shipping was, but it wasn't that bad. What is this here? We have a Volume Vixen 4-in-1 mascara. It is their volume mascara. I'm trying to see. I'm assuming this is probably black. It doesn't say the color. Let's open it up. Yep, that is black. I like these big fluffy. Oh, it's kind of, that's weird. It's fluffy, but it's kind of flat. You see that? But I love these real fluffy brushes. And I haven't tried their mascara, so you know what? As a matter of fact, I've got a mirror here. I don't have any mascara on. That's one thing I didn't put on today because it was pouring down rain. And I'm not big on waterproof mascaras. I never really have been. So I don't put mascara on when it rains or I'm going to be sweating a lot or whatnot. But let's check this out. I haven't tried theirs, but let's go ahead. I'm just going to throw one little coat on just to get a basic idea of how it is. I didn't curl my lashes either. I'm not a big person on curling them. They don't stay, so I don't really do them. Wow, that does give you a lot of length. I don't know about volume, but I'm getting a lot of length out of this. That is pretty. You see the difference? I can really see the difference. Let's go ahead and slap some on the other side. I usually just dip in once and go there from there, unless I have to re-dip, which is very rare for me. I'm not a real super heavy mascara person. As if you guys watch my channel, you notice that I really only put a light coat on, and if I wear false eyelashes, which is not very often, unless it's like a super, I am going to dip back in because I can't get that inner part really good here. Just don't have enough for that. There we go. Running out of product there. But I will tell you, this product goes a long way. And go ahead and... There we go. I just did not get a nice coat on that. I actually really like this. And I am pretty picky when it comes to mascaras because I have really super long lashes. I don't know if you can tell, but they are just really long, and I don't think I really need a whole lot of mascara. But let's get on to what else is in here. You don't see me a lot with my glasses on either, so there we go. But I'm not big on falsies because also I like my eyelashes, and every time I wear them, I just feel like it kind of thins my lashes out. And people that you see wear them a lot tend to not have real pretty full lashes. Okay, Pure Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Fever. Reminds me of the song. Gives me fever, fever, fever in the morning, fever all afternoon. I can't sing. Sorry, guys. Let's check this out. Oh, this is kind of pretty. It's a little more red kind of berry tone. I like these real pointed wands, because then I don't have to run and find a lipstick pencil. I'm not big on liners. You know, when I do use them, I always say to myself, why didn't you use a liner? But I guess it's just the laziness in me. And honestly, when I was growing up, we didn't have them. I would use an eyeliner pencil in dark brown to highlight or outline my lips. That is pretty. And I'm not big on red, but that's more of a burgundy kind of red. Very pretty. Let's see how that dries down. We'll check and see how that transfers here in a minute. There is another lip product in here. Hope I'm not getting this all over my teeth. Another little trick. Oh, actually, that's not that bad. This is a Chrome Glaze High Shine Lip Gloss. And this is in the color Heartbreaker. I like that. Let's see if it's... I always wonder, because see how it's a light pink, if it's really going to be that color. Ooh, it is a real pretty baby pink. I have this red on now, but... You know what? Let's take this red off. Let me just grab a makeup wipe over here. Let's see if I can grab a makeup wipe. Oops, sorry guys. I am having trouble with my ring light today. Having trouble with everything because now I can't get my makeup wipes open. Here we go. Well, I am using the, what are these? The makeup wipes, Demi makeup wipes by MAC. I've had problems with other ones, so I don't have problems with this. These don't dry out anything. So, also, if you guys watched my my glowy summer look, oh my god, look at, wow, holy tamales. I really love the way that foundation turned out from that video. I made a mess. I didn't even have to touch it up or anything, and I wore it all day. If you wonder what I have on my face, I actually filmed that right before this, so this is the same makeup. Okay, let's check this out. This is a, they claim this is, what is it, a chrome, it says Chrome High Shine Lip Gloss. My lips are slightly stained from the other product, but I did not, wow, this is not, oh, there, it's very hard to open. But I didn't use any kind of primer or anything, or put anything on before, which I usually do when I use a red lip or a very bold lip. This is a pretty baby pink with a kind of metallic shimmer to it, I guess you'd call. It's a little different. I feel like I'm having to put a lot on to really get it even. There we go. It was kind of patchy at first. And making little spots like that. There we go. It does feel nice on the lips. It's not real sticky, but I love the color. It's not too bad. I do really like that color. That's a nice little summery look. That is that. And this is all still, this is that $20 box. I'm really surprised. What else is in here? There is one last item, and that is a palette of some sort. Oh, it is, I'm not going to open this. I do already have this, so I'm going to not opened this one, and let me see if I can show you my other. I don't see my other one. This is the, I don't want to open it because I want to give this, oh, or is it open? No, it's not. This is the BoxyCharm Pure eyeshadow palette, and I was hoping to see if I could find my over here, and I don't see it. I don't see it at all. I'm giving you the top of my head. I'm so sorry. I don't see it right now. What the heck-a-rooney? I have way too many makeup palettes, I'm telling you. I can't some days find stuff to save my life. And this happens to be one of them. Oh, here it is. Pure, is that it? No, that's My Little Pony. I have so many Pure palettes. I can't find it right now, but this is the BoxyCharm combination with Pure that they did. And I don't want to open it, but all that for $20. I mean, that is a super, super crazy good deal. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really enjoyed showing you this. I do plan on doing more of these, as I like bringing you guys good deals, you know, and just showing you can get higher end makeup for a good price. This is pretty much, besides foundation, between this one and last month's, actually made a entire look. Last month came with the it was the Sculptor, the little Sculptor palette from Pure. I don't know why this smells so good. It does, it smells really good. But that's a little Sculptor palette, and you know, so basically for 40 bucks you pretty much got a whole look right there. I think that is one heck of a deal. Anyway, there is so much new stuff coming out because we have all the summer launches coming up. I did get an order in on the Manny MUA palette. That will be coming up. Also, MAC, I don't know if you heard, is doing another collab with Patrick Starr. This one appears to have, it looks like 2 bronzers, another quad in it, and what else was in that? 2 bronzers, another quad, and 2, I think they're like nude lipsticks. They're either liquid lipsticks or lip gloss. They are, or lip gloss. They are in the dip bottles. The packaging is beautiful as always. Being from Orlando, you know, I gotta always support our Orlando guys. And if you did not know, he is from Orlando. And Patrick Starr is an amazing makeup artist. I did have the lovely pleasure of meeting him a couple times at the Mac in the Mall. Of course, I didn't know who he was at the time, and I looked back and went, oh my God, that's who that was. But he was a very sweet kid. I say kid because I'm old. But anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching, and have a wonderful day. I will see you soon. Bye.